How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, or Little RV Specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2008 Pleasureway Excel RD with 74,984 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2008 Pleasureway Excel RD. Fantastic fan runs on the coach battery system. Bring the cool outside air in through your screen windows in the back on each side of the couch. Also one here in your kitchen area. Mixture of hard surface and carpet flooring is going to make it easier to keep clean here on the hard surface portion. Approximately 74 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. These are levels test. These are notoriously finicky, so do not consider these gospel. Water pump on off will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Start stop for the Onan 2800 generator. This runs on gasoline from your fuel tank. Will stop running around quarter tanks. You cannot strand yourself. This has 110 hours. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. Water heater on off. This burns propane. It lights itself. Noxious gas detector. Light switch. Some storage spots up here for things that you want to grab as you head out of the coach. Couple little blemishes on the wall. Handle to help you get up and into the RV. Little stash spot here in the door. A fire extinguisher for life safety. Various light switches. We've got some of them on a dimmer. Hang your jackets and everything here inside the closet. Convection microwave oven. This will run on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Nice mirrors on the exterior of the bathroom. It's going to drain into the floor. Not much of a step up and in, so very easy to access this. Pull the curtain around you to help contain the water. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Solid surface countertops throughout in the bathroom and kitchen. 3 drawers. Storage beneath the sink. Rail along the toilet there that you can put things that you want as you shower. An actual porcelain stool on this one. Got a stink vent in here so you can get some airflow and a curtain for privacy. A little noisy on the hinges there. Maybe put a little WD-40 on that, get rid of that noise. Spice rack here for things that you want to grab in your kitchen area. Again, we got that screen window there. Solid surface counters. Nice counter space for your air fryer, coffee pot, things like that. A counter extension. AC 110 power here is nice for that coffee pot, air fryer station. Storage beneath the sink. It's the water pump. 3-way Dometic fridge freezer. Freezer up top. Leave that in the auto setting. It's going to do what it needs to do to stay cool as long as you have the appropriate fuel. There's instructions in the bottom of the box. 2 drawers. Propane furnace is here. It's controlled via the thermostat right over there on the wall. Coach battery disconnect is this red key down here in this compartment. Storage beneath the propane cooktop. Crank for the TV antenna. Air conditioner runs on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. You'll control that with the knobs right on the unit itself. Couple blemishes there in the back of that cabinet. Control the power sofa with these 2 buttons here. DVD player for the 19-inch flat screen TV. Swivel it out to face the front. Both the front seats swivel. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. AC 110 power back here. Got an inverter, DC power. Counter flip out. Get you some space back here, perhaps for your laptop or something. If you want to sit back here in the back, create a little bit of a workstation. Nice big drawers. storage beneath the entertainment center. Some light switches for back in the rear seating bed area. Again, we got the screen windows on both sides for airflow here and curtains throughout for privacy. Noxious gas detector. This is our electrical panel, so this is a nice physical representation of the two different types of power in these motorhomes. I'm going to go ahead and use the power to flatten this out. I'm going to give you some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements. The sofa bed in the upright position measures approximately 19 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 81 inches east-west from wall to wall. When made into the big bed, it measures approximately 52 inches north-south or front to back and 81 inches east-west from wall to wall. The table mount makes the rear seating area into a convenient dining, gaming, or mobile workstation. The front seats both swivel, with the passenger seat having the best position, and the front table mount makes an additional dining, gaming, or mobile workstation. Why did the worker get fired from the orange juice factory? Lack of concentration. AC 110 power makes it nice for using this counter flip out for a power situation or just charging phones, things like that for kids in the back as you're riding. 2 seat belts here on the rear sofa, 2 up front, so a total of 4 seat belts in this unit. Inflate, deflate, check the pressure on the rear airbag suspension. Manuals. Another little tuck spot there. Nice Pleasureway Excel here in the harder to find RD variant. This one's going through our full process here at Kuhn Truck and RV. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, and make sure you're fully comfortable with your new motorhome before you head off for parts unknown. We highly recommend you spend your first night with us here in small town Sherwood, Ohio at Crystal Fountain Park. It's going to give you a great opportunity to digest everything from the day of your sale. Make sure you're fully comfortable once again and everything's working as it should before you hit the highway. This is a very nice unit here for a 2008. Not a whole lot of blemishes inside or out. I'm going to call this a 9 out of 10. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2008 Pleasureway Excel RD. This camper van measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. We have actual alloy rims and the tires have 3622 date codes. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 6.8-liter V10 engine. Very nice looking exterior on this one. Striping is in excellent condition. Easy to get up and into this unit. Handle to help you do so as you head up and in. Back of the refrigerator, furnace exhaust, porch light, coach batteries on a drawer. You can slide out here to access that easier. 2 AC 110 plug-ins so you can plug things in out here beneath the awning. Nice size storage. Storage beneath the power sofa in the rear. This is the awning crank and center rafter. 30 amp shore power cord comes with the unit. Tow package. Take a tow vehicle along with you. Little stowaway trunk or bike rack for your e-bikes or e-scooters, or your regular bikes and scooters too. Fill the onboard fresh water tank here. Back of the water heater, a little bit of paint missing there. Again, really nice looking. A few little minor boo-boos here and there. Nothing you're gonna notice as this RV's driving by. Lots of shine left. Storage bay. Sewer hose storage. Outside shower, keep the mess out of the camper van, wash your feet off after a nice walk on the beach. You're gonna drain the sewer here. Both the black and the gray are gonna come out here. You're gonna pull the black first, gonna let your toilet go, then the gray will let your sink and shower go and rinse that clean. Cable TV in if you're staying somewhere that has that. City water here, you'll connect the water hose and that will provide the pressure to the sink, shower, toilet. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you have to drive somewhere to have that filled. Gauge for telling how much is in there. This is where they'll fill that. You can turn it on and off here. 30 amp shore power connection. Onan 2800 QG generator. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. Gonna fill the engine. It's gonna run the generator down to around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Really nice Pleasureway here. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
Howdy folks, it's Levi Kuhn here today with the rig report on your 2008 Pleasureway Excel RD. This unit did go through our full chassis and DOT inspection with very few issues found on this coach at all. The previous owner, who went by the name of Mr. Ed.
Hello, I'm Mr. Ed.
Took excellent care of this coach. Mr. Ed traded this Pleasureway into us towards another Pleasureway. He actually wanted to go to a little bit larger unit, so we had a Pleasureway Pursuit that he traded this Pleasureway Excel RD on the Pleasureway Pursuit. Again, Mr. Ed took very good care of this coach. I don't have a whole lot of highlights for you, unfortunately, on this one because he took such good care of it. Very well maintained. We went through, checked everything is normal, though. Everything is in working order and functioning the way that it should. If you have any questions on this Pleasureway, give us a call at Kuhn Trucking RV at 440 Ohio RVs.